Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Pooja. So today we are going to learn the basic things related to adjective. So हमने pronoun पढ़ लिया क्या basic. Now first we have done noun, basic we have understood, then we have done pronoun, and then we have done WH family also. Now let's move further with the series of parts of speech. अभी मैं जो पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कर रही हूँ वो बिल्कुल आपको बेसिक चीजें समझा रही हूँ. देन वी विल हैव वन मोर प्लेलिस्ट इन विच यू विल लर्न इन डिटेल्स. अभी हमने नाउन कर लिया, प्रोनाउन. टुडे वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एडजेक्टिव, देन वी विल डू एडवर्ब, वर्ब. वर्ब आल्सो वी हैव डन, प्रपोजिशन एंड कंजंक्शन. सो चलिए समझते हैं कि एडजेक्टिव क्या होता है. एन एडजेक्टिव इज अ वर्ड दैट डिस्क्राइब्स अ नाउन, इवन प्रोनाउन आल्सो. आप इसे करेक्ट कर लेना थोड़ा, नॉट ओनली नाउन बट it describes pronoun also. ये definition तो आप लोगों ने बहुत ही बार सुनी होगी, but I will try to make you understand. Just remember like this. Adjective tells us more about nouns and they make our sentences interesting. Okay. So adjective जो होता है वो हमें और चीजें बताता है नाउन के बारे में. अगर मैं बोलूं Rahul is a boy, it's just a simple sentence. But if I say Rahul is a smart boy, Rahul is a tall boy, Rahul is a smart and tall boy. So here I'm using adjective and telling you more about Rahul. मैं आपको ज़्यादा information दे रही हूँ राहुल के बारे में. So when we use adjective, it makes our sentences more interesting and creative. So as you can see, adjectives make our world more interesting and colorful. Without adjective, things are not like, let's say you visit to any place and you come back, you are sharing the experience of that place. What you will say, I went to that place and this I went to that place, that was amazing, that particular place was so beautiful. You're using adjective and explaining it. So adjective makes your sentences, creative. It is something like, I can say it adds beauty to your sentence. सो आई होप आप लोग डेफिनेशन समझ गए होंगे. एडजेक्टिव जो होता है वो नाउन और प्रोनाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है और हम इसे सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझ सकते हैं कि ये हमें नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में और इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. द एप्पल इज रेड. सो यहाँ पे जो रेड है दैट इज टेलिंग एंड गिविंग मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द एप्पल. द पपी इज क्यूट. सो इट इज गिविंग द मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द पपी. आई हैव अ न्यू बैग. I can simply say I have a bag, but I'm giving you more information about a bag, that it's a new bag. She's a happy girl. She's a girl. It's simple. She's a happy girl. So like this. When you use something for your personality also, like, I am magnanimous person. Magnanimous means I'm a kind-hearted person. That is a tall building. So tall is telling you more about noun. The rainbow is beautiful. So it is giving you more information about the rainbow. The cake is delicious. Oh, my mother has made delicious dinner today. So यहाँ पे मैं आपको और information दे रही हूँ. So delicious is adjective. He has a small car. This is a comfortable chair. He is a smart boy. कैसा लड़का? Smart. So it is giving more information about the noun, or we can say pronoun. So adjectives are really important. जब भी आप कुछ describe करते हो, किसी के बारे में बताते हो, we use adjective. When you are telling about you, about your personality, you use adjective. So I hope आप लोगों को एक basic structure समझ आया हो. I'm just have a quick recap. So adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun, or remember like this, it gives us more information about nouns. It makes our world more interesting and colorful. And as we have just read these examples, so I hope you all got, and please do like the video. And the most important thing, that is, I request all of you to write some sentences and use some adjectives in your sentences, and share, subscribe, and share with others also, so they can understand at least basic grammar through these videos. And when I'll make again the videos, then they'll go to the next level of it. So thank you so much everyone for watching today's video.